How to fix LinkedIn login problem. If you're having trouble logging in into your LinkedIn account, you may follow up this step. So open up the LinkedIn application first and you may locate up the login page on your device. And then you may just go ahead and reset your password. So in this page, you can find an option called forgot password. Tap on it and then follow the instructions to reset your password. And this way you can fix your login problem. Apart from that, you have other options, which is contacting LinkedIn support directly. So what you can do is you can basically go over to any of the browser available and search for LinkedIn customer service. You should be finding this link right here. So just go ahead and follow the process and reach out to them. Apart from that, try clearing the cache and cookies of your application. Long press on it. Go to the info section at the top, and then from there you may scroll down, look for storage option, and from there go ahead and clear cache and also clear data if necessary. After that, ensure you are also logging in with the correct account because that may be the issue. And if your account has been restricted, you need to wait for a bit in order to get your account back, and that's it. So therefore, these are some of the solutions you can follow up to fix your LinkedIn login problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.